it is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop. Today we're back with another Tonya Talk. If you guys are new here, hi and welcome. Please don't forget to stay and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. I post a lot of lifestyle, fitness, and health videos, so if you guys ever have any recommendations for any videos, please drop it in the comment box below. I'm fairly new to YouTube, so a lot of times I am not really sure what people want to see, and I just kind of think about what I'd like to hear or what I would have liked to hear in the beginning of my journey. So I try to come out with videos like that. But if you guys have any specific videos you'd like to hear from me, please let your girl know. So today's Tonya Talk, I wanted to talk to you guys about when to take a break from training and when to just really honor your body when you know something isn't feeling right. Just now I left the gym just not too long ago, and I was doing a Smith machine squat, and when I got under the Smith machine, I kind of felt a lot of pressure in my lower spine. I think it has something to do with about a year and a half ago, I did have a bad deadlifting injury, and my lower back was super locked up. Everything just was not feeling great. I ended up having to go see a chiropractor and just had to focus a lot on my mobility, my core strengthening, and had to dial it back a lot. And I definitely felt kind of down because when you're so used to lifting heavy weights, and even now with my program, I have not gotten myself back up to the strength that I used to be at pre-injury. And that's just because after the injury, you know, COVID hit, and then training was kind of weird, and then I moved, and now I've been trying to get back into a more consistent training routine, but at the same time, I've been working on lower weight, higher reps, just to get my muscle endurance up, and just because I also haven't, you have to be in a certain mindset to 1 rep max. You have to be in a certain mindset to just go all out, balls to the wall, and like lift super heavy, or at least I think so. And lately I just haven't been in that mindset. I've just wanted to keep my body moving. My slogan always is just keep moving. And whenever things start to feel like a chore, or when they just aren't enjoyable anymore, I try to kind of just take some steps back and figure out how I can make things more enjoyable again. So instead of sticking to a solid plan and program, I've just kind of been writing my workouts day to day and training whatever feels good. But you guys, if anything ever feels off, if anything ever feels weird, do not hesitate to lower the weight on the barbell, to regress from the barbell back to dumbbells, to just going body weight. There's no shame in taking weight off the barbell if you aren't ready. There's no shame in finding an exercise that is a little bit of a regression, just to make sure that your body positioning and everything is exactly how you want it. I know a lot of times for myself, I tend to, when I'm feeling really good, I'll ego lift. And then ego lifting is the quickest way to injury, because you're just feeling so good about yourself and you're just not really thinking about anything else other than like, oh my God, I'm gonna pick this weight up. And that has fucked me up a few times when I have just thought that I was ready for a certain lift or a certain weight that I just wasn't ready for. There is no shame in taking weight off. There's no shame in regressing. There's no shame in, after your first exercise, if you feel like garbage, pack your stuff up and get out of there. Honestly, you don't have to push through discomfort or pain or put yourself in a mindset where you just feel like you might injure yourself, or you just aren't all there. It is okay to take a break. And I know that seems like silly, and it's, you know, it might seem silly that I'm making a video to let you guys know it is okay to rest, but I have, you know, I definitely have some clients that I myself will sometimes just push through certain feelings of discomfort or pain because I'm like, I don't want to be a little bee, so I'm just gonna push through. Guys, you don't have to be lifting the same amount of weight as your favorite Muscle Man on Instagram. You don't have to keep up with anybody else but yourself. Please, guys, be kind to your body. Know when is the right time to take a break. Know that it is okay. It is not going to hurt your gains if you take a day or two off, if you just take a complete week and just focus on core work, on mobility, on little things on breathing. A lot of people don't really know how to breathe through lifts, and that also leads to injury a lot of times. So when you're feeling like you just are not in the right headspace, or if something just feels off, do not be afraid to throw in the towel and start again the next day, start again the next week. It is not the end all be all for your gains. You're not gonna lose your booty in a week. You guys, please, please, please be kind to yourself, be kind to your body. Thank you guys so much for watching this Tonya Talk. I hope it is helpful for you guys, because for me, I definitely need a reminder a lot of the time to just calm down and take things a little bit slower. So if you guys would like to see more videos from me, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.